You have skill with coding some web programming. Also WordPress.
However, you are not able to complete the project according to the client's demand. That's why we stand before you to solve your problem.
Our aim is to publish videos on the project base of this channel. If you follow the project videos, your weaknesses will be removed. You can increase your skill on WordPress and coding.
Make something unique with us.
Mama's Coding will improve your coding skill for front-end, responsive, WordPress front-end and back-end development. Robiel Islam Rocky here with you as a project creator. Stay with Mama's Coding. Guys, subscribe our channel and stay with us. Soon we will present the project with you.